Welcome back. In this session we see here the integration of composite function. Again here the most important topic in the integration. So how to integrate the composite type of the function. First we see here the definition form or formula you can say. So whatever the kind of function, maybe sine function, cos function, yeah, any polynomial raised to power form. Okay, so one by one we see in this session example also. So first example, very small example, evaluate understand all these things. So integration of, we consider one polynomial, suppose 4x square plus 2x plus 1 raised to power suppose 7 dx. Now such kind of the examples will be solved with the help of this x formula. Okay, so this bracket containing 4x this term 4x square plus 2x plus 1, we can consider this as a f of x, and power, that is 7, we can consider as a n. Then after we know the formula, if I apply this formula, then the answer integration I equals to so 4x square plus 2x plus 1 as it is raised to power n plus 1. So n here 7 become 8 divided by n plus 1 means again 7 plus 1 8 into here 1 divided by derivative. So derivative jiska hai wo as it is. So f of x means our 4x square plus 2x plus 1. So this term as it is, and then after integration it is over, so plus c. So simply after that the first term as it is again. So I am writing here 4x square plus 2x plus 1 raised to power 8 divided by 8 into 1 divided by, so simply the derivative, and this is the algebraic term, we can apply the derivative separately. So if you know the derivative, then it is easy. So it will be 2 into 4 8 x raised to power 1 plus derivative of 2x, it is 2, and the derivative of this 1, it is 0. So finally this will be the derivative and integration. So rewrite this. So 4x square plus 2x plus 1 raised to power 8 divided by, if I take here 2 as a common, then it will be 4x plus 1, and after multiplying 2 it will be 16, then here 4x plus 1, and last plus c as it is. So in this way we can find the integration of given function with the help of composite form. Let us see another one example. Evaluate the integration sine raised to power 8x dx. So as we know the formula, we consider this sine x. Okay, so before solving, this term can be written as sine x raised to power 8, both are same. So after applying this form, then this term can be written as n means 8 and function here sine x. So check here the function containing again function of function or simply function. If it is containing 2x 3x, then sine is a composite form of 2x. Okay, so but here simply x, then it is a regular function. Okay, so sine x raised to power here n plus 1 means 9 divided by 9 into 1 divided by derivative of sine, and then after plus c. So this function can be written as again sine raised to power 9x divided by 9 and this 1 divided by derivative of sine, it is cos x plus c. Rewrite this sine raised to power 9x divided by 9 into cos 9 cos x plus c. If you want to rewrite this again, 1 sine and divided by cos means sine upon cos become what? Tan, and sine raised to power we convert it into sine raised to power 8x, sine by cos become tan x divided by 9 plus. Okay, so 1 sine from this. So in this way you can find the answer. Okay, in other way, this composite function it may be defined like sine of 7x, then with the help of this formula or composite form, then we know that the integration of sine, it is cos angle as it is, and then after the derivative of angle, that is 7x in denominator, that is 7 plus c. So this is the composite form of sine 7x. Number 2, integration of e raised to power 5x dx. Then remember that you must know first the integration of e raised to power x. So e raised to power x dx, it is what? E raised to power x plus c. But in place of some other function, then it is defined like this: e raised to power 5x divided by 5. So this is the way to define the function. Okay, suppose integration of log of some other function like 5x plus 1 with respect to x, then it is defined. You must know the integration of log function. So integration of log, it is okay, you can't define directly, you need to solve here like integration of log of 5x plus 1 into 1 dx, and then after apply the u into v form. Okay, so u into v form. So in this way you can find the answer. So this is the method to solve the log of such functions. Okay, so I am not solving now. If you require, I will give the solution. You can mention in comment box you want the solution. Next, I am using here some standard functions only. Next here, suppose integration of 7 raised to power 2x plus 1 dx. So here we use the formula of integration a raised to power x dx. So you must know the formula of a raised to power x dx, and it is a raised to power x divided by log a. So with the help of this, first we have to apply here. So a raised to power means 7 raised to power 2x plus 1 divided by log of 7 into 1 divided by derivative of power function. So x की जगह पे जो भी रहेगा, that is our f of x, and its derivative 2x plus 1, its derivative become what? 2 plus 1, derivative of 1 become 0, so simply 2, then after plus c. So this is the way to find the integration of such kind of the functions. So remember this formula, integration of f of x raised to power n dx, and it is defined f of x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into 1 divided by derivative of the function plus c. So this is what about the all about the integration of composite function. Okay, I hope ये आपको समझ में आया रहेगा. If any questions you can mention in the comment box, and if you like this, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to share with friend and subscribe our channel for the new notification. Okay, thank you all of you.